In this video, we will highlight 5 Chatgpt-like AI coins with 100x potential. All these coins can make you retire early. Watch the whole video to not miss out on huge potential gains. Welcome to the channel. We will talk about all things crypto and give you all the news, insights, and hottest projects to buy right now. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and put notifications on to stay updated on all the crypto trends. The crypto market is entering a new phase, with AI-based cryptocurrencies taking the lead. This presents a unique opportunity to make a lot of money by investing early in AI crypto projects. As AI continues to evolve, it is likely to play an even bigger role in shaping the future of our society, including the field of crypto. Chatgpt represents a new and exciting development in the field of artificial intelligence. One reason it has garnered so much attention is its ability to understand natural language and generate contextually appropriate responses. This advancement has the potential to revolutionize the way we communicate with machines. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see more innovations in this field, and ChatGPT is definitely one to watch. There are many potential applications for ChatGPT beyond just chatbots and language translation. In the field of crypto, we are seeing a lot of hype for AI projects. The first AI project we would like to highlight is Alethea AI. While combining AI with NFTs is not a new concept, it is already being used in the creation of NFT art and music. Alethea aims to take this fusion a step further by creating an entirely new class of intelligent assets. These assets are imbued with AI personality traits and can grow and evolve based on the data they consume. Alethea is creating a protocol to make NFTs smarter and more interactive. They have already created the INFT standard, which adds artificial intelligence to NFTs to provide animation, interaction, and generative AI capabilities. The INFT protocol allows developers to create, train, and monetize their INFTs. All of this is happening in the Alethea metaverse called Noah's Ark, which has a bold aim: to preserve and evolve the culture and collective intelligence of the human species. Alethea is one of the most hyped projects in the AI crypto space, and the price will pump hard this year while AI continues to trend. Alethea is priced at almost 4 cents with a market cap of 136 million. A market cap of 2 billion is not crazy to think of and is roughly a 15x from here. The second project in this video is Ori Chain. Ori can serve as a bridge to bring AI to smart contracts. The Ori chain mechanism is similar to that of Band Protocol and Chainlink, but it places more emphasis on AI APIs and the quality of the provided AI models. In each user request, test cases are attached. Providers' APIs must pass a certain number of test cases to receive payment. Validators manage the features of test cases and AI model quality, making Ori unique and different from other platforms. Ori aims to interconnect AI and blockchain in order to introduce innovation, and therefore needs to revolutionize both in order to make them compatible and integrable. In the AI space, Ori focuses on providing decentralized platforms for data and AI, standardizing how AI-based computation can be verifiable on-chain while ensuring the correctness of AI. In the blockchain space, Ori emphasizes scalability and interoperability of its Oracle solutions and services with other networks in order to expand the utility of the Ori ecosystem. This will enable a wide range of unprecedented dApps that are more functional and intelligent than ever before. Ori is currently priced at $4.34 with a market cap of 8.8 million. The all-time high market cap is 76 million. To reach its all-time high market cap is roughly a 7x from here. A market cap of 200 million is definitely possible in the future. That is a 23x from here. Our third project is Fetch AI. Fetch is a decentralized machine learning blockchain-based network designed to enable the development and growth of the digital economy without human interference. Fetch provides tools and infrastructure that support the development of a decentralized digital economy based on artificial intelligence. The network connects people, devices, and services, enabling the sharing of data and cooperation. Through the use of AI, Fetch provides solutions for everyday problems by offering intelligent machine learning and data sharing. Fetch is a promising crypto project for several reasons. First, it aims to build an open-access, decentralized machine learning network that allows for secure and efficient information sharing. Its technology combines blockchain and AI to create a platform that can autonomously discover, communicate, and trade data. Second, it has a strong team of AI, blockchain, and engineering experts, as well as several notable partnerships including Bosch, Festo, and Cambridge University. Finally, Fetch has already launched a number of successful products, demonstrating the project's real-world use cases. Fetch is currently priced at 36 cents with a market cap of $219.6 million. We believe the project has got many legs to grow and will soon be back at all-time high market cap of $900 million, especially with all the hype surrounding artificial intelligence. A market cap of $5 billion is possible in the future. That is a 17x from here. Our fourth project of today's video is SingularityNet, AGIX. Singularity is a decentralized marketplace for AI. The value of AI in business continues to grow, with developments like Chatgpt and businesses investing hundreds of billions in building the next big AI. However, there is a gap between those developing AI tools and the businesses that want to use them. SingularityNet aims to build a decentralized protocol for creators and users of AI to interact with each other. Singularity is an AI-focused project that aims to leverage blockchain technology to create a decentralized AI marketplace. Its long-term vision is to open-source artificial general intelligence, AGI. AGI is the future vision of how AI will evolve and can be used to solve any problem, making it an improved version of the current narrow AI, which can only solve a single problem. Singularity has an ambitious team working on an open-source AI-powered infrastructure that allows developers to build AI products for end users without intermediaries, using smart contracts. The SingularityNet ecosystem's growth is driven by the SingularityNet Foundation, which facilitates an ecosystem of AI spin-offs building in DeFi, robotics, gaming, entertainment, and biotech. These spin-offs can access funding and guidance to advance their AGI initiatives, creating utility for the AGIX token. Singularity is priced at 43 cents with a market cap of $520 million. A market cap of at least $4 billion this year can surely be reached for one of the most amazing AI crypto projects, which is a 8x from here. As our final project, we would like to highlight Optimus AI. Artificial intelligence has been a groundbreaking step for humanity in streamlining and guiding innovation in the fields of robotics and technology. Optimus aims to be at the forefront of innovation by empowering developers to harness this technology and bring it to the blockchain. Optimus has a goal of building the largest AI community while providing exposure and resources to innovative projects. Developers can apply for grants through the Optimus Venture Fund, and the community plays a primary role in determining which projects to fund and get involved with, whether they're AI crypto-related or a crypto startup. Optimus claims to provide top-tier meme quality with maximum exposure capacity. It's a true community-run token since the creators of Optimus burnt the liquidity, so there is no ownership. All taxes collected will transparently be spent for the growth of the community in the form of the Optimus Venture Fund. A portion of the taxes will go directly into the fund, and developers can apply for small grants and seed rounds with the community at the center. Optimus token holders will have access to profit sharing from these investments, rewarding them for their contribution while simultaneously strengthening the longevity and utility of the Optimus token. Optimus is priced at 37 cents with a market cap of $32 million. The all-time high market cap is $60 million. Looking at how the project is being handled, a market cap of $1 billion is not crazy to think of when we are in a bull run this year. That is roughly a 30x from here. And that's a wrap for this video. Which AI project do you think will pump the most? Let us know in the comments below. Of course, there are many other promising projects out there, so be sure to do your own research before investing. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and put notifications on to stay updated on all the crypto trends.